Hello. I just received a new ink ribbon for this thing, and I will honestly say I don't particularly have any sort of plan for this video. So it's just a recording of me starting it in the first time for a very long time, I think. So let's see if it will work and also type something. So far so good. Now I will try and feed a piece of paper into it. So there's this little guide on the side here, and I press the I should, oh no. Well, that started out well. I just mouse-trapped the paper a little bit. Good thing I'm not planning to write something important on it. So let's just write something. Oh yes, that's working out rather quite well. So let me see if I can move the camera with a minimum of fuss. But let's be frank, who am I kidding? I will not be able to do that. Maybe. Look at that. So let's see if I this thing has a fair number of rather quite neat features, like it has an auto center, so I now write some sort of heading. And, well, nothing happens because I think I may have typed that wrong. Let's see. And then when I hit the carriage return and let's see, there's a button for this. That's not the right button. I don't even know what I'm writing anymore. Good lord. To tell you what, I will just oh yes, this thing can do erasing too. I seem to be fudging it a bit. fairly fancy thing. Now, I know that it has some sort of templating feature. So let's try a test template, which I think is done by doing mode store. Wait, mode store T. Now it's beeping, and I will write there we go, and then mode stop. Then I can't quite recall how it was done. And so done. Okay. Now if I press mode and recall P, release, and it will stop, telling me that now I can type something. And then enter, done. So let's see what is actually on this whole thing. Let's do mode list. That did nothing. How strange. Mode list. I'm not sure. No, I'm really not sure what that did. But yes, that is the Esselte 80 typewriter. Also, this light is blinking for some reason. Mode. There we go. That stopped the recall thing. I guess I was typing the entire time. Mode recall A. No, mode. Nope, doesn't like that. Only mode. Like say you wanted a name and date header, like this. Mode store, and I will write to R. And I will do mode stop. And another stop. There we go. And then I type mode and store. And the little rattling there shows that it's been stored. And I view the paper a bit, like so. Just giving ourselves some more lines. And finally I do mode recall R. Shoot. Then I do mode and recall again, and it will keep printing. And mode recall. And finally that's the wrong direction. I feed upwards, and there we go. A good fancy paper. I haven't used this machine in years. I used to use it for school when we were running practice business, and I would use it to write the protocol when we had the steering group meetings. So that's my story. What a tremendous little thing I've managed to find for myself here. It's nearing 10 minutes, so if you've borne with me so far, thank you for watching.